The Sixth Amendment gives you 6 powerful protections that kick in the moment that you're accused of a crime. First, you have the right to a speedy and public trial. This means that the government can't drag its feet in bringing its case before a jury. It also means that the government can't try you in secret to avoid the public from seeing. And here's the best part. If the government violates your speedy trial rights, the case will likely be thrown out. Not postponed, not delayed, dismissed forever. Second, you're entitled to an impartial jury that lives where the alleged crime was committed. This protection means that regular people who live in the area where these alleged events took place are actually weighing the evidence. Third, you have the right to know exactly what the government is accusing you of. This means the government can't play hide and seek with the charges against you, or the evidence that they're relying on. Fourth, you have the right to confront your accuser face to face. This means if someone accuses you of a crime, they have to look you in the eye and say it in court, under oath, and you have the right to question them. It's much harder to lie when there's pressure, and a lawyer ready to expose any inconsistency with their story, as well as any motive to lie. Fifth, you have the right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf. This is accomplished through a subpoena, which is a document that legally forces them to show up and testify. A subpoena can also be used to obtain documents, phone records, videos, as well as almost any other evidence that can support your case. Without this protection, your legal defense would rely solely on the goodwill of others. Finally, you have the right to a lawyer even if you can't afford one. This legal representation usually comes in the form of a public defender or other court-appointed lawyer. Today, public defenders handle massive caseloads to ensure that that promise to you is kept. Are they perfect? No. Are they overworked? Absolutely. But they're trained legal professionals fighting for you when the stakes are at the highest and when no one else is in your corner.